Well, you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss
Isaac, get out! Your backpack's like right there. It's gonna flip! I have to hold it close. Wait, Isaac, were you third period? Do you have a third period? Late? And he was like, why are you late? Why are you late? They're like, Miss Olsen. Yeah, look cute. Perfect hand to hold this. He's like, oh yeah. Isaac, move! You're in the shot. Come under here. Where was your brother? You've been, and then there's Gabby and Christian. Only the cutest.
Oh my god.
Christian just know I'm recording every single one of this.
You see it when you close your eyes.